Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug here. The other day, I rooted some sassafras and made a video. And I told everybody so far my success rate is like 1%. And that was the little one right there you see with the leaves. Well, I did a little experimenting since then, and I showed what I was doing on the video. And I wound up, all of a sudden, hey, my success rate has went from 2%, 1%, to about 60 or 70%. That's all sassafras. And it's looking beautiful. Now this over here is all figs. I was asked to root them by Stalker's home farmstead because they have people wanting to buy them, so I'm rooting them. This is wild persimmon, native persimmon, wax myrtles, and Japanese plum. I had to think about that a second. That's what that is. Now, I don't usually root. I root one or two for myself in a pot. But instead of building a greenhouse and jumping into it with both feet, I said, let me check this out and see if it's gonna work first. So I took old cardboard boxes, lined them with plastic. That's what I'm growing my sassafras in. These are old totes I've had in the shed for years. That's what I'm growing my figs and stuff in. Over here you see pasteboard boxes. Hey, you don't need a greenhouse and a fortune, people. The main thing about rooting plants or anything else is just get up and go do it. And once you start moving, you'll figure out a way to do it. Like and subscribe.